Welcome back to my YouTube channel English on Wheels. So guys, as I told you in my earlier video that I went for a movie and I will record my next video that I will speak something on this movie. I will give revenue about this movie, and I will also tell you through this video that how you can also speak on any topic in simple English. Okay, so I'll tell you, whenever it comes to speak on any topic, so there are two things are very important. Okay, the first thing, you must have some knowledge about that topic. Without knowledge you can't speak on that topic. Okay, you will definitely blank. Okay, and you will not be able to say even a single sentence. Okay, so get a proper knowledge about the topic on which you will going to speak. And the second thing is, before starting speaking on any topic, just say this line that thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. Then you start speaking on that topic, whether you are professional or you are somewhere else, I mean to say in office or anywhere else. So this is the good line and this is a professional line. Okay, so keep watching my video till the end, so I will going to speak on this topic, that the revenue of Dhamal 4 movie, and you will also see that I will not use any advanced vocabulary or advanced English while speaking on this topic. So you can also observe that, and in this way you can also speak on any topic, guys. Okay, so watch this video till the end. Dhamal 4 movie, it's a comedy movie, it's a pure entertainment movie. Okay, as compared to their earlier parts, this movie is better than those parts. I spent my 200 rupees to watch this movie, but I don't think I wasted my money. Okay, because I enjoyed this movie a lot, and it's a family drama. You will not find any bad things or anything that you can't you can't bring your family with you. Okay, so it's a family drama, and it's a sequel of Dhamal movie. It's a fourth part. The movie directed by Indra Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, then Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Mishra, and Ravi Kishan, and Javed Jaffrey, Arshad Warsi. They are in a lead role in this movie. Okay, and they have played their role very well. That they make us laugh in a lot of scenes. Okay, so if I talk about the story of this movie, the story is like they found accidentally, actually there are four character, different character. Okay, and they have a different stories, but one incident happened in their life that they found a map of treasure means khazana. Okay, so you feel yourself in that situation, that for an example, if you are four friends and you found a map of treasure, so each and everyone will say or will think that I will be hurry or I will reach there as much as possible, that I can grab all that treasure. So same happened here when they found the map. So each and everyone start running to grab that treasure. Okay, so that's like, if you see earlier parts, they travel by road, but this time they travel by sea or water. Okay, so this is the different thing that you can see in this movie. And they use ship and they boat, and they also go to the jungle, and many you can also see a different kind of adventure, and many circumstances happen in their in their life or in their journey, that those incidents automatically create a comedy moment. Okay, that's why we enjoy this movie automatically. And that movie, at the end of this movie, there is one message, or the movie convey one message, that nothing, any treasure is bigger than humanity or family. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you guys, it's a family drama and you must watch this movie at least one time. And this kind of movie you should enjoy, or you can only enjoy on a big screen, because a lot of people, like like you can see that we try to watch, or we watch movies on mobile phone or OTT platform on TV. But if there is such a good movies, so we should enjoy those movie on a big screen. So it's a different kind of experience. Okay, so I'll recommend you to watch this movie at least once, and I really enjoy this movie. It's a family drama. Okay, so guys, I spoke at least, I think, 3 minutes on this topic, and you can see that I never use, or I did not use any advanced vocabulary or advanced English. So I spoke in a simple English. Why I could speak on this topic? Because of practice and the speaking habit. If you are a beginner or intermediate, okay, so don't, without wasting your time, start practicing from today. Start learning speaking English from today, because your consistency and regularity, it is main important at the beginning. Okay, the practice is main important. Don't think too much about your mistakes. You should work on your mistakes, but the main thing is practice. Okay, start practicing or speaking in English in a simple way, or start practicing simple English right now. Okay, because that habit, that practice made me, I would not say a very good at English, but at least I can speak. I can speak. Okay, I mean to say, if I talk about my earlier time, I was not able to make even a single sentence. So that all happened because of practice. Okay, so keep watching my videos, guys. I will definitely tell you a different ways and how can you speak a simple English. Okay, so keep watching my videos, and if you are a new on my YouTube channel, so subscribe my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye.